Hi. So if you're a full stack web developer and if you're creating a MERN project, then creating the application will have all these things which are necessary in your application. So things like authentication, making payments, if you're working with files, then cloud storage, forms, chat systems, landing page, etc. will be required in the application. Even though you have worked on all these features in your previous applications as well, but still you have to write the code for them again in your new application. Even if you try to copy the code from GitHub, the file structure, also the API endpoints that your project will have, may not match with the GitHub project that you are copying from. So then what is a reliable solution for this problem? Basically, what if there was a starter application, which means there is a package through which you create the application and all these things, authentication, payments, will be already pre-built in the application. You just have to add the connection string, the access tokens, all the required things that are necessary to, let's say, handle payments or database. So you don't have to write any code again. You can start and create your own new features, the innovation and the main USP of your application rather than focusing on these things which are common. So in the search box, you just have to type npmjs.com/package/create MERN starter. So this is the package, create MERN starter. And here are the details of the package. So for creating, you have to paste this command in the terminal. So here I have an empty folder Yash, and in that I will paste this command. So this command says npm create MERN starter. We have to just write @latest. Now I'll put a dot here so that all the files and folders will be downloaded in the root folder, which is Yash. Okay, you can give your project name, and in that folder the package will download all the files and folders. So I'll hit enter here, and you can see that the folders and files will get downloaded here. And you just have to put in values in the env. The environment variables are also set. Just have to replace them with the values, front end as well, and then your application will start working. So on the home page, you have a guest login. So if you log out, then you will have the sign in and the sign up button. So let's just quickly sign up. I'll just quickly hit sign up. Yes, we have successfully signed up. Also, we have the payment route. So if we type payment here, /payment, then here you can check out. So if I click on checkout, then the payment of Razorpay will be popping up. And here you can either do UPI. So I'll just write success@Razorpay and then verify and pay. And now the ID automatically comes here. And just I will hit get payment details. So it will show you all the details related to that payment. So this is the file upload feature on the /upload route. So I'll just choose a file here. Let's say this one. And when I upload the file, it will first go to the local folder and then it will upload itself on Cloudinary and then it will get deleted. So when I hit upload, as you can see here, the file is come, and then after it is uploaded successfully, it gets removed and gets uploaded on Cloudinary. So I hope that you got an idea about how the package works. There are some future works that I'm thinking. First is like not everyone needs authentication or storage at once. So you can choose, like you can toggle and choose what features do you need. And according to that, that part of code will be getting downloaded, not the entire part. So that is one thing that I'm thinking of. Let's see how it goes. So that was from my side. Have a nice day.